Hello and good afternoon. Today's section, we are going to discuss about the distribution channels. First, I would like to know the attendance of our class, and you are present. You can just say you are present and your name.
Hello,
Hello, yes.
I'm B. I'm present.
Nelly is present.
So I think Mr. Kurgati is around. I've seen him here. So in today's class, we are going to discuss about the distribution channels. This is a topic under the oversee of distribution of stored goods. Who can maybe tell us what the distribution is? Someone? Okay, if no one, maybe we can define distribution is the process of making a product or service for the consumer or business who needs it. So it is a failing a product or a service to the consumer or a person who requires it maybe for different purposes or in business. Yes, another slide, please. Okay, the next definition that we are going to define is the meaning of distribution channels. Initially, we have learned that the distribution is availing goods or services to a customer. So, a channel, by defining a distribution channel, this is a network of businesses or intermediaries through which a product or service travels from the producer, the manufacturer, to the final consumer. This is basically all about the intermediaries. So, an example are the retailers, distributors, agents, brokers, and even online platforms. Essentially, it's the route your product takes to reach its end user. Another slide. Another thing that we are going to look at is the types of distribution channels. We have direct distribution. These are processes in which a manufacturer sells directly to the consumer. Yes, the advantage is that market is always available in this, and it is very easy. There's no complication in distributing of products and services. Direct distribution. Now that we have learned about the direct distribution, this is where the manufacturer sells it directly. So from there, indirect distribution is a product. Yes. Just a moment. The producer or manufacturer use intermediaries. And we have learned that the intermediaries include the wholesalers and retailers. The advantage of this is that these goods are being exposed to the expertise. So as the goods will reach the end or the consumer when it has been distributed into smaller quantities, because some of the consumers cannot buy some goods in large quantities. Another one is hybrid distribution. This one combines elements of both direct and indirect distribution. This can involve selling directly through some channels or using intermediaries. Now, it combines both the direct and indirect. Another slide. Now that we have learned we can now brainstorm the types of distribution channels that we have learned before we proceed to customer prospecting. Someone can maybe say one of the type that you have learned, please.
Yeah, we've learned the distribution channel whereby a producer sells directly to the customers.
Yes, thank you so much. 2 minutes, please. If no one, we can proceed to customer prospecting. Basically, customer prospecting refers to the process of identifying, qualifying potential new customers who have a need for your storage and distribution. This is like connecting yourself with failing your services and products, the potential customers. This is finding businesses or individuals who could benefit from what you offer, and then nurturing those relationships to convert them into paying customers, making your customers, engaging them so that they buy your product and services. Another slide. Another thing that you are going to learn is prospecting methods. One of them is industry research. This one is by attaining prospecting method is mostly by attending trade shows, conferences, seminars. Is where you will get to be connected with your customers who will be able to use your channels of distribution. Another one is online marketing. This one is maybe developing a website, social media like Instagram, Facebook, so that you advertise your services to be able to reach the potential customers. Networking. This is a